She came up on the porch and dropped a feather.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it with me.
Okay, we had a pretty one today, y'all. Around 80 degrees, blue skies. Another turkey egg. I'm not sure, but I think Miss Turkey laid 2 eggs. This one is very fresh. It's still warm.
This one's fresh too.
And it looks like a double yolk turkey egg. Look at that, because we just found this one. And it was over here at the other little coop, so I'm not sure how long it's been in here. We'll test it when we go back inside. This one is fresh though, but look at the size difference. I think that's a double yolk turkey egg, or either a really big one. You're not normally on chicken duty.
Nope.
They're not used to you being on it either. They don't know if they should follow you or not. Okay, Miss Turkey, she's the hard one.
You gotta get in there. Something will be wanting to have an early Thanksgiving.
Last one there's a rotten egg, Daddy.
I'm fixing to make the best fruit cake you ever put
No,
in
not
your-
fruit cake, fruit salad.
Oh, I was thinking about fruit cake. I'm
No
sorry.
fruit cake.
Fruit cakes in the world. There's some out that door. We're fixing to make the best fruit salad.
Today felt like spring, and just last
It was
night,
81 degrees out there.
yeah, just last night I was looking at spring recipes on my phone, and I saw this really good fruit salad recipe, and then I didn't even say anything about it, but then today Titus was like, what about a fruit salad or
A
something
good cold
like that.
fruit salad. Yeah. It's going to be different than what
It's going to be different than you've ever seen before.
Not just because we got sprinkles.
Mom, I like sprinkles. I
Do?
eat them. You don't eat them.
Yeah.
You do eat them?
You got to think about it that hard.
Yeah, because they're crunchy
Yeah.
and yummy.
Well,
Crunchy
I guess if
and
something's if I see me now in the store with something crunchy and yummy.
Thinking about it. First thing we're gonna do is make this vanilla pudding. It's just the instant kind. The original fruit salad recipe that I was gonna make was my mama's, or close to my mama's anyway. It uses mayonnaise, but we all know how some people feel about mayonnaise. It can scare some people, especially when you start adding it to fruit. So we're gonna make up our own little version here. This is gonna be a, what can we call this? We'll figure out what we want to call it as we go
It's going
here.
to be good, everybody. And I'm
Yeah.
going to tell you why it's going to be good. Because we're substituting the mayonnaise. We're going to go where it's at. Vanilla, I'm sorry. Vanilla pudding. I don't even know what I said. Vanilla pudding right here.
All right.
That's why it's fixing to be good.
So this part's easy. We just make it I wonder if we should make it a little thinner than normal. What do you think?
Nah, I don't think so. Make it get.
Well, we're going to add cream of coconut too, so
Yeah.
we'll do it normal.
We're going to do it normal, everybody. Because we're going to be adding cream of coconut. How much of this right here, Mama?
That, oh, you want to mix that in with the pudding?
Oh, okay. Well, we ain't got
I thought we were just going to add it in
probably
later
at the
after
end.
the pudding.
Yeah, she's right, everybody.
So for this pudding, we're just putting the 2 cups of milk. We're going to whisk that all together.
That stuff's so good right there. You can eat it with a
is,
spoon, but
y'all.
you got to be careful.
Okay, first step is done. We'll just sit this over to the side. Mainly, we're not going to put it in the refrigerator because we don't want it to get too thick right now. We're about to have to mix it in with the fruit.
I tell you what, Mama, why you already did that? Let's just go ahead.
Okay, yeah.
Everybody, we changed our mind. We've done that a few times on this channel.
We're making this up as we go kind
We're
of
making
deal.
it up as we go. And we
Now, if you aren't scared to try the mayonnaise version,
mayonnaise,
I'll
yeah.
put my mama's recipe
There's
down
a lot
below
of
for y'all.
people out there that don't want mayonnaise.
Right, you don't want to do the mayonnaise deal. Now, I have made mama's fruit salad before and used Cool Whip or some kind of whipped cream instead.
Her mama's is good.
And-
I've eaten her mama's before. It's good.
But
It's real good.
he didn't know there was mayonnaise in
I'm
it
not
at
a
the
big
time.
fan of mayonnaise, but it ain't that it's not good. It's very good.
When he found out it was mayonnaise.
Mary, don't you dare listen to Fallon saying that
Then-
that ain't good. You know I
was
like your
good.
fruit salad, girl.
I really like it, but he has a hard time eating it when he knows that what it's coated in is mayonnaise.
Right. That can mess with your mind a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, so now...
If you ain't got one, don't worry about it. You put whatever you want.
Now, here we go. We have a lot of fruit that we're putting in here, y'all.
Is anybody else out there like that? I'm just bad at something. I guess I'll go ahead right quick and start doing this little deal right here with the grapes. How many is that at right there? 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna say it's about 30 grapes.
I'm gonna put the strawberries in here
Strawberries going in too, everybody.
too.
Here
While
we go.
he's washing the grapes.
I'm gonna wash them all.
1, 2, 3, 4,
I'll give
5.
them all a bath. Put it in that clear bowl.
Fruit salad's prettier in a clear bowl.
That touches your heart out there, don't
You
it?
can see
That touched your heart right there, that we would consider letting y'all be able to see
Through the bowl.
You want me to, Mom, will it look better if I just leave these grapes whole? Let's cut them
in half.
See, that's me wanting to cut a little corner. We'll take one grape at a time.
Oh, I forgot to tell y'all. I got out of jury duty this time.
If they told her if she does it again, they're gonna lock her up.
I gotta go in April. Okay, so we got the strawberries, grapes, bananas. We're gonna put mini marshmallows in. He's cutting these grapes in half, y'all. And that's gonna take just a minute.
It's gonna take a minute, everybody.
He's doing that part.
Because this probably got 30 of them.
Raisins, peanuts.
81 degrees. Every bird around was singing.
We went to Tractor Supply, 2 different Tractor Supplies, to get our chicks. They were both sold out. They said they're getting more in on, what'd they say? Wednesday or Thursday, so we just have to go stand in line. It's just gonna be like Black Friday for chickens.
Late Tuesday night, I'm camping on the side of the doggone porch right there, and I'm gonna tell them, listen, I'm gonna buy them all, and then I'm going back out there to the parking lot and make $1 a head on them. That's the sound of a little top on peanuts.
Oh yeah,
listen to this. Oh, yeah.
Look how pretty it's gonna be with the red and the green.
I guarantee you. I told Fallon. I said, baby, make sure you get strawberries. She said, strawberries. I said, strawberries. She said, strawberries. I said, strawberries.
I'll be getting a banana ready. How many bananas will we need?
Probably 2, baby. I mean, really, you know.
Yeah, the banana
is a brain
my
food.
favorite part.
That is a brain food. I learned that off of the barefoot.
Wait, don't tell.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That was gonna be a tricky one. You gave a little hint. Who knows what movie that came from?
Right.
Okay, now we slice the banana in. Would you look at that?
Look at that. That's all you can do is look at it. Give it a little turn here.
Let us come out with some kitchen gadgets and see.
Yeah. Mix it up here, Paula. Give her a butcher knife to mix that fruit salad up right there. What's her husband's name?
Michael.
Michael been out there on that boat.
Yeah, he's out there in the sun all the time.
All right, everybody, it's time to go in with our raisins. These are the kind we're using. You can use any kind you want to, but these right here is
Sundaes were on sale at Ingles.
26 raisins going in, everybody.
Just shake them in, about half a cup or so. Now the marshmallows. This is my favorite part. Then peanuts, and I'm trying to think if I'm forgetting anything. I don't think I am.
And we're gonna put peanuts and pecans, Mom.
Yeah, let me get the pecans. You can stir that if you want to. You are. It's really fun to stir it.
Ain't it?
Oh, the pecans are making it pretty.
That's what I'm saying, see? And pecans, look what pecans do. Love pecans. Now, while she's doing that, everybody, I'm going in with the coconut that we thought would be a great little something to put on in here.
Yeah, since we put that's probably good.
That's good right there, everybody. We don't want to make a coconut cake here.
Yeah.
We got some good taste going on right here.
The last thing is going to be our pudding mixture over there.
Right now, this one right here is not you're not gonna be able to really play with this. This bowl will fall apart on you.
The kids don't like those waffle bowls for ice cream. We got them before at somebody's birthday, and they didn't like them because they start falling apart.
I ain't joking with you. I ain't kidding you. That's really.
Especially when it gets really good and cold. It's gonna be great.
That's so delicious. Y'all hardly ever see me eat the whole thing at the end, but I'm gonna eat it right before you. A lot of different flavors hitting me right here.
Yeah, I really like it with that pudding. Now, we've made it, like I said before, with Cool Whip, and I've also made it with yogurt before, but I think this is the best. Besides, I really like the mayonnaise version, but besides that, this is the best, I think.
Have we ever did it with this before?
No, I've never done it with the pudding before.
Y'all gonna like that. Treat yourself to that right there.
All right, y'all, it's a little while later. I'm getting everything set up for breakfast in the morning, and I remembered that I didn't test this turkey egg that we found. So the really big one, I know that it's fresh because, like I said, it was still warm. She just produced that one for us, but this one I'm not sure about because I didn't see it this morning. I didn't see it yesterday morning, but like I said, it was over at the little coop, so I'm not sure how long it's been there. We're gonna put it in this water and see if it floats or sinks. I probably should have gotten a thing with a bigger mouth top because it's hard for me to fit this. It's gonna overflow. Let me get something else real quick. We'll just pour the water into this bowl, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash this one and put it in the refrigerator since we're putting it in the water. I'm gonna need a little more water in there so we can see if it'll float. It's not trying to stand up, so that's good. Let's see. yeah, we're just laying flat, not trying to stand up and not trying to float, so it's good. All right, I'm gonna finish washing this one off. Okay, I got it cleaned up good now, so I'll just put it in the refrigerator. In the morning, I don't really have anything to set up for breakfast because everything needs to stay in the refrigerator. We're just gonna make some eggs and breakfast steak. We got them on sale at Ingles. Whenever we went in there to get some of the stuff we needed for the fruit salad, we looked at the meats while we were over there. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do breakfast steaks and eggs in the morning. Oh, I will go ahead and sit out my seasoning. I'm gonna use one of these to go on the breakfast steaks in the morning. I got this from Aldi last week. So I'll set that out and I'll go ahead and get the French press ready for the coffee in the morning. Is the baby dinosaur here for story time?
Yes. It's good.
Did he pick the story too?
Yeah.
The very sleepy sloth. Just like Manny. Manny's very sleepy. Did you like that fruit salad?
Yeah.
I bet Sloth would like fruit salad, wouldn't he?
He does in the book.
He's not real?
No.
Deep in the jungle, early in the morning, the sloth was fast asleep.
Hey, look at that giant big monkey.
The kangaroo was on the trampoline working on her spring. The monkey was on the
Look
high
at
bars.
that baby.
Yeah, working on his swing. Exactly, said Sloth, and with a stretch and a yawn, he fell fast
Asleep.